Good morning, friends. How are you? Today, I am going to show you a very special use case for inventory when we are using inventory valuation as first in, first out, that is FIFO method, and force removal strategy, first expiry, first out. Okay. The interesting thing is I have configured one product. Okay, and then I have enabled it by loads. Considering this is a uh, you know routine or common FMCG product, which should have a lot number and traceability by expiry date. And I have set some default, like when I am receiving this item, it should come with 90 days of expiry date and it should have 30 days removal date. So based on the removal date, it will run the FIFO operations. And then I have made two different vendors over here to purchase with different cost. And this is my general information, like standard cost is 50 and sale price is 150 and product category is FIFO FIFO. Uh, as a recognition of our use case. Now at the other end I have no inventory, nothing, it is all blank, zero, you can see here. And I'm going to make a fresh purchase order, or let's say a sales order. Based on my sales order, I have triggered the purchases. So to customer 1, I'm trying to sell FMCG product with 100 unit at 150 each. As soon as I confirm the order, it will trigger an RFQ with the normal my vendor 1. Okay, I'm confirming the order, and then I'm going to receive this order. So during the receipt of the order, I should assign the serial number or lot number. So for all this 100, I am assigning a lot number, lot 001, all 100 units. I'm validating it. And now if I open my product, I will have the cost updated at 70 because my latest purchase is 70. And still I haven't delivered that product to my customer. So based on my sales order, now I'm delivering this. Let's see our trial balance in between. So it is hitting with 7,000 rupees of inventory, 70 rupees by 100 quantity with interim account. And then now I'm registering my delivery. Okay, which is I will set the quantities which is already reserved and validate these operations. And here my trial balance will update my stock interim with stock delivered. Okay, so this is one transaction which is quite smooth. Now let us see some twist. I'm removing my replenish on order, and then I'm making a purchase. Okay, so FMCG vendor 1, if I'm buying the FMCG 1 product 10 units at 70 rupees, then I'm going to receive this. Okay, and assigning a lot number, lot 002, all 10 units. Perfect. So I do have stock inventory of this 700 which is received. Right, now I am creating another order with my vendor 2, the same product at rate of 60. This time I am going to buy 20 units. Okay, I confirm the order and now I am receiving this order. Load 003. And here I am making a twist. The standard expiration date is 90 days from my date of receipt, which is 22 March, and this is 20th June. But here, let's say my vendor has sent old item where the expiry date is 31st May only. And then I'm registering receipt of this 20 units. Okay. I hope you are with me. I'm still finding like 8,900 rupees of inventory. Total is 1900 inventory is with me for the same item, FMCG item. If I'm going to check the stock, it will show me total 30 units, right? Okay. So here the thing is like, if you can see, I have made a purchase worth 700 with 70 rupees initially, and then I have made a second purchase 60 rupees each with 20 units. So 700 and 1200 has been debited here in my inventories. Clear? Now the twist is I am making a sale, and this time if I am making FMCG product 1 sell, let's say 5 units, and confirm, in the delivery the system is auto register load 3 because it is expiring first, then the load 002. If you want to see, let's check that out in my load and serial number. So here I have 3 loads which is created on that best before, removal and expiration. So here if you see load 1 and load 2, which has a standard removal date of 21st May, but load 3 which is expiring earlier than our standard one, so the earliest is 1 May, that has to be delivered. Now we have to see this transaction very carefully because I am breaking the rule here, because my system is going to register cost of goods sold, and that what would like to show all of you. I am validating this transaction. So this is delivered, and see the valuation 70 rupees, because the valuation method is FIFO, but this lot 3 was purchased at 60 rupees only, and now Odoo has registered 70 rupees as COGS. Now if you prepare my invoice and confirm this invoice, it has registered my cost of goods sold at 70 rupees, which is wrong. I hope you understand my point. If we have set it up, the force removal as FEFO and cost method as first in first out, and in case my product has a lot and serial number with expiry date and set a removal date, and then if something is going wrong during my purchase and I am receiving the expiry at earlier date than my different stock which was coming in, the Odoo is not going to register my COGS properly here. So this is what I wanted to show everyone. When you are dealing with any grocery item or any food item, and if you are setting first expiry first out removal strategy with FIFO, and in case your trading business and your expiry is coming near to some other vendor stock, this is not going to work. Hope this video will help you out to define your customer strategy of force removal strategy and costing method accordingly. And as per my experience and recommendation, average cost will work best here when I'm setting FIFO. So it will always register the average costing for any transactions so that we can have a proper profitability for our business. Thank you very much.